guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming the what is on my iPhone 8 Plus. This has actually been really highly requested considering I just did one a couple months ago, I feel like, but I did get a new phone recently and things have kind of switched up a little bit, so I did want to show you guys what is on my iPhone. Okay, so I have the Rose Gold 8 Plus and I got it a week ago, and 3 days into having it, I dropped it when we were at Walmart grocery shopping with the case on, and I've dropped my phones like hundreds of times and nothing's ever happened. And of course, the one time I get a brand new phone and I've had it for 3 days, it drops and shatters on the back. And no, I'm not the type of person to buy the insurance. I don't like to, we never have, and I really should have because it's shattered now, which is great, but whatever. You live and you learn, right? So the case that I use is the Pink Sands one from Apple. I do not recommend any Apple cases, as cute as they may look. They do not protect, and Apple does nothing if your phone breaks while they're in them, so I don't recommend. I recommend getting one that is supportive and actually will work or protect your phone if you don't want it to shatter. If you don't mind, honestly, I don't really mind that it's cracked. It's not on the outside at all. It's like the inside layer of glass. I'm okay with it. I'm not gonna get it fixed or anything, but I am kind of mad that it's broken. Alright, so then after I open up my phone, we just get to my home screen, and the first thing I have is Mail, Safari, Photos, Camera, Calendar, my Scripture app, my Weather app, and then my Editing. And in Editing, I actually use all of these apps. Let me scoot over here actually. I actually use all of these apps. Word Swag is to do like cute fonts, Facetune, if I ever need to whiten teeth, Square Ready to square size something. Hype Type is actually really cool. It makes like a story template basically for you. Then I have Pic Jointer to make collages, Fonto to put words over pictures, Lightroom, which I use to edit all of my pictures. So if you guys want to see how I edit all of my pictures, comment down below, because I kind of have a theme going on. It's super subtle, but I edit all of them on Lightroom. Then I have PicMonkey, the mobile app, and a monogram because I'm obsessed with doing monograms. I'll show you guys a couple of the ones I've done. Maybe that's a little hint, maybe it's not. And then I have a folder for all of my social media, and I have Instagram in here, which used to be on my home screen, but I moved it in here because I was clicking on it way too much and just scrolling through it for no reason. So I put it in here, so I had to like get to it instead of just having easy access. Snapchat, Pinterest, which I'm obsessed with Pinterest lately. Like probably my most used app is Pinterest. Then I have Twitter, Facebook Messenger, Facebook, subscriber count, which I'm so psyched about. You guys are amazing. 10,400 of you. I cannot believe it. Then I have Musical.ly, which I've never used before, but I have it downloaded, and the Heartbeat app because I'm a Heartbeat ambassador, which I will link the video down below where I talk about that and how you can be a Heartbeat ambassador as well to make some money. Then I have my music, Then I have my music app, and Riley and I share an Apple Music, obviously. So I just have a ton of super fun songs that I'm obsessed with. I'm really loving Meghan Trainor and like all of her songs, and obviously like The Greatest Showman, but the Dip by Freak Nasty is my favorite song right now. I listen to it like 5 times a day. Then I have Money, which I just have like banking stuff and Venmo and PayPal. Then I have Notes, iBooks, and Settings. And then at the bottom I have like my phone, YouTube, and Messages because those are like my top used things. Then on my second page I have my clock and like helpful apps. Guess not really even helpful, it's just stuff I don't ever use, like the App Store, calculator, the health app, reminders, and Google Home. Then in extras, it's just all the extras that I never have a place for, like compass, tips, voice memos, contacts, iMovie, Find My iPhone, things like that. Then I have maps and podcasts, and I used to be obsessed with podcasts, not so much anymore. I bought it in Target, which I like for coupons, Amazon just because I love to shop on Amazon, and then Poshmark to sell my clothes. Then I have Take a Name, which is again like a church thing, and Pandora, obviously for music. Then I have games, and I probably have more games than I should, but I have Clash of Clans, Gardenscapes, Angry Birds 2, Pokemon Go, Juice Jam, and Brick and Balls. I love Juice Jam and Brick and Balls, but I'm stuck on levels on both of them and I just can't get past them, so I've kind of given up, but oh well. Then this is probably like my third most gone into category, which is shows. So I have the Hulu app, the Netflix app, the Prime Video app, and the MTV app. I probably use MTV and Hulu the most right now just because we're rewatching Teen Mom 2, and like Scrubs and stuff is on Hulu. Then this is my second most popular folder for sure, and it's my health app, and not my health app, it's my health like thing. So I have my watch, which just is like the settings for my Apple Watch, and then the activities on it, which I always check. Then I have Ovia to track like fertility and periods and things like that. This is actually the fertility. I use it to track my periods, and it helps me understand like fertility in case we want to start trying to conceive. And then I just have my Fitness Pal because I've been tracking the foods that I eat to get me into healthier shape. I'm not like counting calories. I just like to track it to know what I'm eating. And then I have care.com just to check for any babysitting jobs or like nanny jobs around me. I've just had it for a while. And that is all. Then I obviously have like just all this random stuff. If you guys want to know what my background is, I will try to link it down below as well. If you have any questions about my iPhone, please let me know down in the comments below. And tag me in any of your guys' videos if you do what's on my iPhone, because I'm nosy and I love what's on my iPhone videos. So please tag me in them. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.